Hi, I'm Dominique Broadway, financial planner and personal finance coach. I'm going to discuss how to make an electrical invoice. When a service or product is provided and a payment needs to be collected, it is common for an invoice to be submitted to the client. An electronic invoice is the equivalent to a paper invoice. It can reduce the amount of time that it takes the client to pay you, as it can be sent very quickly via email or any other electronic method. As with a paper invoice, your electronic invoice should include your name or business name, your contact information such as the address, phone number, website, and invoice number. You will also want to include a description of the work completed, items sold, or services rendered. The amount due and the due date for the services or the product should be clearly laid out. Electronic invoicing has been proven to improve cash flow, drive down costs, boost accounts payable efficiency, and provide the organization with much better control over incoming funds. I'm Dominique Broadway, and I've just discussed how to make an electrical invoice.